Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft runtime environment easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first type here background apps and make sure to disable first option here and then close this window. And now after that just run Minecraft installer, click next, now click remove and then remove, and after that all you have to do just click on it again and then just install it again and make sure there is no problem with your connection, and that's it. Then just install it again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.